much the home screen of the application. And this application here is jam packed with a lot of templates which you can use to create maybe your AI images and AI videos. So if you do go in the on option here, you can see a lot of templates which you can use. All you have to do is pretty much upload a photo that you may want to use to pretty much turn into what you want. For these templates, here you have the owner name option. So this application here, as I said before, is subscription based. So you're going to need to get a subscription or a pro subscription that they offer to even use the application. So let me put that out there. So here you have a lot of AI templates which you can use. As you can see here, a lot of them, and all you have to do is pretty much select the one that you want to use, and as well select the photo. Let's say generate, you're gonna upload your photo, and you're pretty much good to go. Very, very easy. So that's really pretty much it for that. Here you can scroll and you're gonna see a bunch of templates which you can use. This application here is jam packed. Well, the only downside is that you're gonna need a subscription. So if you do go at the top again, you can see that they have the video generator option. Here you can go ahead and generate your AI videos, and at the top here you can pretty much go ahead and select whichever AI models you can use. So they don't have the popular AI models like Clean AI, SAR2. I don't see these, but it's pretty much just their own AI models that they offer. And as well, you can pretty much upload your image as reference. If you want to generate a video based on the image, you can adjust the duration, how long you want video, as well the quality of the video. If you want a better quality, basically you have to put on professional option, as well the aspect ratio of the video. You do have the advanced option here where you can enter negative prompt, meaning things that you do not want in your AI videos. Here you have in the movie section. Here you can pretty much go ahead and generate your AI videos. You can see here pretty much higher quality than just the standard regular AI video generator. As well, you can upload your character or scene, whatever that you may want to add. So that's really pretty much it for the video generator. You have the text generator or the image to video, the text to video option. Here it does give you an example of pretty much how it works. As you can see here, very simple. Just tap on the camera for that. But very simple to use. You upload your photo. They do use the Google Nano Banana Pro, and if you do tap on that option, you can see all the AI models that they use, and you can go ahead and select your AI model that you would like to use. So down here they do give you a demo of pretty much how your tool work. You upload a photo that you may want to edit, and you're pretty much good to go, as you have seen in the short tutorial there. So you can tap on the plus icon here or the photo icon here to pretty much upload your image, and you're good to go. So you can tap on the more option here as well to pretty much see other features which you can use solely. So some of these features you won't be able to see them if you scroll, but in this section here you can see other features differentiate from those templates. These are not templates, these are AI features which you can use. So that's really pretty much it for that. So the subscription for this application, you can go at the top here to tap on Get Pro. Here they offer the weekly subscription. So it's all up to you guys, pretty much what you want. So that's really pretty much it for this video. If I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. I will see if I can help you out. See you guys in the next one.